Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming carrier provisioning and updating the system. This matters because Volte requires network activation. Once done, insert the active SIM into the primary slot, enable mobile data, and temporarily turn off Wi-Fi calling so the phone prioritizes LTE voice. Next, open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Make sure airplane mode is off. These initial steps prepare your device and network, so the Volte toggle will appear and function correctly. Now you locate the Volte control inside the network settings because Motorola places it under SIM or mobile network sections. Once you tap Settings, go to Network and Internet, then SIMs or mobile network, and select the active SIM. Find the enhanced 4G LTE calling or Volte toggle and flip it on. This instructs your radio to use LTE for voice. After enabling, restart the phone so it can re-register with the carrier and obtain the proper Volte provisioning and network indicators. Finally, verify Volte by making a call and checking for an HD or Volte icon. You should also see improved call setup times and voice quality. If it doesn't work, toggle the setting off and on, reboot, reinsert the SIM, or update carrier settings/PRL. These steps force reprovisioning. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm account-level Volte activation, because sometimes the issue is provisioning rather than the phone. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.